Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to complete this web quest. If you're watching this video, you need help editing the client profile form. This is number 4, and you probably clicked here. So I'm going to click on the profile form, and what you'll see is we have a worksheet. And you can either print this out and complete it by hand, or you can fill it out electronically. This tutorial is for those of you that want to fill it out electronically, and as I go to click in the client name box and type something in, nothing is entered into the text field, and that is because I have not made a copy of this. It's locked. So what I'll need to do is click File and then make a copy, but you'll see that this option is disabled because I'm not signed in. You will need to sign into Google in order to do this. I'm actually going to sign into a different account. If I can remember my password. Okay, and now I'm able to edit the profile form by clicking File, make a copy, and then it's going to let me copy this document, and I'll call it Client Profile Form, and we'll just name this Coach 2018. We'll just say that's my name. And so now I have a copy of the form that I can edit for this assignment. So for the client name, I can type in Client 1. And then I can put in the gender, the age, the weight, and as I complete the module or the tasks in the web quest, I can just fill this out just like a worksheet, and I won't have to worry about making changes to the original. So you can see I'm able to edit this document without changing the original. So I hope this helps. Again, anytime you're in Google Documents and you want to make a copy, you just click File, make a copy, and you'll be able to edit that document. Thanks for tuning in.